Divine Ani, Earth Goddess of fertility, morality, and abundance. We gather in your presence, humbled by your boundless grace. You are the nurturer of our fields, the guardian of our harvests, and the provider of our sustenance. Today, we offer this affirmation to express our gratitude and seek your continued blessings. In your embrace, our crops flourish and our families thrive. Your moral teachings guide us towards righteousness and unity within our community. With your guidance, we walk the path of honesty and integrity, upholding the values that you have instilled within us. Ani, we thank you for the gift of life and for the bonds of family and love. As we stand upon this sacred earth, we ask for your continued wisdom and benevolence. Bless our lands with fertile soil, our hearts with love, and our lives